of all your stories, a different girl for every day. You told them about your former glories, the whole world knew anyway. Ooh, you got yourself a reputation. Ooh, you're only living for sensation. Passion and desire, love and your Delilah. Samson, I can light your fire, listen to Delilah. Samson, you like to be the main attraction with all your fancy friends around. But does it give you satisfaction, or does